Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to change your language on TikTok apps. So here I'm using Android for opening my TikTok, and then it should be same way if you are using Mac to change the language of TikTok. So I will open my TikTok here, and then I will go back first, and then oops, and then I go to my profile here, and then here you can see on the right there is a burger icon. I can click that burger icon and then click setting and privacy, and then scroll down, then you will find this language. So I can change the language, and then click this app language. There is a bunch of options I've usually, and then you can change into Tamil, into English, and anything you want. It's up to you, and then click done. For me, I do prefer English. Also, you can choose the preferred language. For example, I want to choose English, and where is, and then I don't know. This is just for example. I can choose this Bahasa Indonesia, and then click done, and then it will be showing you the most on screen only, of course, English. And then if TikTok think that this language is not relevant for me, they will shown in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel, or you can click just thanks in down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.